Alright guys, we're here at the exhibition area of the ASUS 30th anniversary press event, and right now I have the ASUS Zenfone 6. So this is my first time holding this phone since it was announced a few weeks ago in Vienna. So we are not sure if it's going to be released in the Philippines. We have no news yet, but what matters is we have hands-on with this beautiful new phone from ASUS right now. And just a quick rundown of the specs. The Zenfone 6 comes with a 6.4-inch all-screen nano-edge display with Corning Gorilla Glass 6. So if you notice, guys, there are no it almost has a bezel-less screen display, just a bit of a chin here, and so basically there's no notch this time. Alright, there's no notch, unlike the Zenfone 5, which has a notch, and a lot of people hate notches, but this one doesn't have any notches at all. But the processor, in previous Zenphones we see a lot of variants with different processors, but this time the Zenfone 6 only has one processor, and this is the Snapdragon 855 chipset. So this is the fastest processor in the world right now. A lot of flagship phones are using this processor, and the Zenfone 6 has the Snapdragon 855. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do any benchmarks right now because there's a demo unit, there's a demo phone. So, but you know, having used Zenphones before with 845, 835, for sure they'll be very, very fast. And one of the most popular features of the Zenfone 6 is the 48 megapixel pop-up camera. So if you guys noticed, there are no notches because there's no camera at the top of the phone. If you want to take a selfie with this with the Zenfone 6 camera, you just need to switch the camera mode to selfie and observe what will happen. Oh yes, it pops up. The camera pops up automatically once you use the cameras for selfies. So you don't have to use a secondary camera. You know, most camera phones use secondary cameras which are not at par with the main cameras. So basically you're going to use the same main cameras for taking scenic photos and for taking your selfies. So you'll be assured that you'll have very nice quality for your self-portrait photos. And if you want to switch back to the main camera, like if you're going to shoot a photo, and there you go, it vanishes. Let's check that again. So I'm gonna switch the camera. That's what observe what's gonna happen. Clever, isn't it? That's very clever of ASUS. This is the first time that that a phone company would employ such mechanism. We normally see pop-ups like the ones from Vivo and Oppo. Oppo was the first one to employ this. I have the Oppo F11 Pro right now, and yeah, it has a pop-up camera as well. And for the Zenfone 6, it has a different way of popping up the camera. Anyway, I'm not sure if I'll be able to test some photos here. I mean, yeah, but I'm still going to take a few photos in this event. And of course, initial impressions, photos look very, very awesome inside this exhibition hall. Of course, these are just first impressions of the photos, and I really would love to test this phone. Whoa! Test this phone. Next, once I have the chance to use it. Well, anyway, as I was saying, the design of the Zenfone 6 has improved from the Zenfone 5. Slightly improved. There were rumors before that the main camera is on an awkward position, and thank goodness that's just a rumor, or one of the earlier designs. The finished product looks absolutely awesome. It looks absolutely flagship style, and I think the Zenfone 6 comes in the different colors. This one is the black variant, and this one is sort of with comes with a silverish design. So it's shiny, and looks very premium. That's what I can tell you. It's made of. It kind of looks like plastic, but yeah, kind of looks like plastic. But nevertheless, the frame is made of. Looks like it's made of aluminum. And right, so the battery, by the way, comes with 5,000 milliamperes of juice. It comes with Qualcomm's Quick Charge 4.0, so you can be assured of charging, getting a lot of juice by charging the phone in a few minutes. And I forgot to mention that the camera. Okay, I mentioned about the pop-up camera, but I forgot to mention what the camera specs are. It comes with a pair of 48 megapixels of Sony IMX586 sensors and a 13 megapixel camera with ultra wide lens. So these are just dual lens cameras, but they're just good enough for taking scenic photos for traveling, and like what I said, it can also be great for taking photos, self-portrait photos. And it still has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. I suppose it will have dual SIM, and yeah, so looks like an amazing phone. Too bad we still don't have any news about its availability yet in the Philippines, but we're still hoping. Who knows, we might still get to see the Zenfone 6 in the Philippines, and if we do, I would definitely would like to have one. And yeah, so that's it for now. We'll be posting we'll be posting more of ASUS other products in the blog soon. So stay tuned for that.